Okay, good morning. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. It's day after Mother's Day. I got this for Mother's Day for myself. Everyone's grown and gone now. My husband, he doesn't drink coffee here at home. He gets it at work. So I wanted something that I could have just for me. And it was kind of a low profile thing. I want to kind of clear out my space a little bit. It's really, the real estate it takes up is minimal. Look, this is the tank. You can put the water all the way up to here. I filled it up last night. I wanted to see if it leaked. I don't see any leaks this morning, but they make it so you can just put your pod in and go. Touch button and go. Like I said, my space here is really, really tiny, so I just wanted to kind of unclutter things a little bit, make it easier. So let's make a quick cup of coffee here and see what it does. Open up the top, push that button, stick the little pod down in there, and then shut it till it snaps. Here's the power button. Now, this is a small cup, medium cup, and large cup. I don't know what those constitute, really what large is. They say 10 ounces. I have no clue what this glass mug is, but I wanted you to see, you know, how it, the color of the coffee and everything, you know, if it's strong enough. So I'm going to hit large because I'm assuming, ooh, okay. Yeah. Huh? Wow, looky there. Oh. This is quick. Look how quick it's filling up. Nice color to the coffee. So far, I'm impressed. So far, I'm impressed. That's hard to do at 6 o'clock in the morning to impress me, trust me. All right. Halfway there. Oh, it smells wonderful in here. Well, check it out. It's a cup of coffee, y'all. I love it. I absolutely love it. And it comes with 2 other pods also that you can put up in here. You can make tea, or you could put your own coffee in. But doggone it, I just wanted to treat myself a little bit and got some, bought 40 pods for like $20 off of Amazon. I was really happy. Ooh, does this smell good? Well, I tell you what, I'm quite impressed. I'm going to drink this cup of coffee. I'm going to write my review. But as I see it right now, I most certainly recommend. Good purchase, guys.